What's going on, guys? Today I am standing in front of this Mustang and I just want to show you a quick video on how to change the engine air filter. Very simple. Take off two clips here after you pop the hood, obviously, and then there's two tabs down here, so we're basically going to lift up and then pull it this way, or we're pulling it that way. That will lift right out of place. Engine air filter right here, and we just take a new one, pop it back into here, place the cap back on, and this time we're going to make sure the end clips are in, and then we're going to push it that way. Okay, now I just secure those two clips back in place and you're all good to go. I will leave a part number, or I'll just leave a link actually down below for this part. And if you found the video helpful, please leave me a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more car videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.